We'll guide you through how to create a new Apple ID account on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. And so, in order to go and fully use the Apple services, you need to go and have an Apple account. You can then go and access things like iCloud and other things as well. So if I go and open up the settings, we can go and see here that we've got the Apple account option. So let's go and create an account. What you need to do is you need to go and open the web browser. So we're going to open up Safari. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and type in account.apple.com. You can then come to it. And then what you're going to see is the sign in option. But you need to come to the top right and press the arrow. And then it will say create your Apple account, and you can go and tap there. Wait for this to go and load, and then what we need to do is start going through here. Enter your first and last name and choose your country or region. Enter your birthday and email and password. Enter your number, and you can then choose these different options here and enter in the captcha at the bottom. I'm going to do that now. After you've done that, you're then going to go and press continue at the bottom, and you'll need to go and verify your email and phone. You'll get a code sent to it. After you've gone and verified it and you've got your account, you can come out of Safari and come to settings. Then you can go and press Apple accounts, and you can go down and press sign in manually. And you can then go and enter in the email or phone you just went and set up the account with and enter in your password and go and sign in. And that's it. You've successfully gone and created an Apple ID account on an iPhone.